What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Galaxy A56 Wi-Fi calling drains the battery. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your flight mode. After turn on or off your flight mode, then go back to your home screen and open settings and scroll down and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.